This menu was initially adopted from 편스토랑, Korean TV program. One of the famous actor, Ryu Su-Young, made this recipe. He loves to cook for his family and chichidak is one of them. The word chichidak actually means the chicken covered with a cheese. I'm gonna grill chicken in a pan, so I need to trim them first. Remove the neck and spine of chicken using a scissor. You'll find that it is empty at the middle. Then cut up the chicken wings to remove any kinds of smell from chicken. I found that there is a feather stick to each leg. It's kind of gross. And I'm gonna remove the oil at the bottom part of chicken. I don't want any kinds of excess oil remain inside. And then I'm gonna push them very hard. You need to be really strong to make this recipe. I'm gonna flatten the chicken. I can hear bones are broken down. And then I'm gonna season them with a salt. Rub them with a finger on one side. I'm not gonna do on the other side. And make a space using a finger between chicken skin and chicken breast. I'll put a butter inside. It'll be melt on a pan and make a chicken breast softer than ever. Set this for 20 minutes so the salt will be absorbed into chicken. When time's up, turn on the heat to medium-low and put 3 spoons of oil. You shouldn't put too much oil inside, but a little amount of oil could be problematic too. And I'm gonna place the chicken on a pan. I'm not gonna cover them with a lid so that I can check the status. However, if you want to use a lid, that's totally fine with that. Fry them for 30 minutes, but flip them to the other side for every 10 minutes. And add a slice of ginger 5 minutes before turn off the fire. This is gonna make chicken more flavorful. And then let's make a chicken stock. I'm gonna use a chicken bone that I separated from the body. Put them inside the water. I'll add spring onion, garlic, and ginger. If you don't have much time, you can buy chicken stock at a market. I think that's more convenient. Simmer them in a medium heat for 20 minutes. Strain them in a net. I'm gonna make a sauce using a chicken stock. Pour a little amount of oil that was used for grilled chicken. And add pepperoncino, soy sauce, sugar, and star syrup. Original recipe includes tablespoon of salt, but I skipped the part because it was too salty for me. I also decreased the amount of soy sauce and syrup. Finally, pour our chicken stock that we have made before. Boil this for 20 minutes in a medium heat. When they're done, pour this sauce to a grilled chicken. The scent of ginger and pepperoncino will be absorbed into chicken. Actually, you can eat this right away if you want. However, if you want extra cheese dipping sauce, please stay tuned. And if you're new here, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. And let's move on to make a cheese dipping sauce. Put 7 slices of cheddar cheese in a little amount of milk. Simmer them in a low heat for 2 minutes. Keep stirring them until all the cheeses are melted out. If you have a microwave, you can use that as well. Pour them on a chicken. Looks like they're wearing a blanket made of cheese. Cheese dipping sauce are very expensive, so I always feel it is not enough whenever I eat nacho chips or french fries. However, when you make it at home, you can eat abundantly. I'll sprinkle a parsley on top. I've got a leftover cheese, so I'll pour this on a nacho chip. This recipe is enough to feed 4 to 5 people, so I think it is perfect for party or family dinner. And then I'll walk you through making a coleslaw salad. It goes perfectly with a chicken. Slice the cabbage using a mandolin. It is the easiest way to slice the cabbage. And I'll add onion and apple. When vegetable is done, I'll put salt, sugar, vinegar, and mayonnaise. I love sour taste, so I added extra amount of vinegar from the original recipe. Mix them all together until everything's combined. So thank you for watching today's video, and please subscribe my channel for more ideas and inspirations. It means the world to me. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll leave a link down below. Then see you in the next video.